Today, we're diving into the world of AI to explore the best free tools you can use to generate innovative business ideas. These tools are not only accessible, but can save you time, spark creativity, and give you the edge you need to succeed.
Welcome to Future Business School, where we bring you practical tools and insights to help you thrive in business and beyond. Let's break it down step by step, starting with how these tools work, followed by detailed explanations of specific platforms, and then we'll show you how to put them into action for your next big idea. AI tools for business idea generation use algorithms and machine learning to analyze data, identify patterns, and provide suggestions based on your inputs. Think of them as a brainstorming partner that never gets tired.
For example, you could input a specific industry like healthcare or technology, and these tools will generate unique ideas tailored to trends, gaps, and opportunities in that sector.
They're especially useful for entrepreneurs, small business owners, or anyone looking to start a side hustle but not sure where to begin. First up, we have ChatGPT, one of the most versatile AI tools for generating ideas. It's essentially an AI-powered conversational assistant that can brainstorm with you.
Say you're interested in starting a business in sustainable fashion. You can ask ChatGPT something like, "What are some unique business ideas in sustainable fashion?" It'll provide you with a list of creative suggestions.
It's free to use with basic features and provides instant results. Just remember to experiment with specific prompts to get the most relevant ideas. Idea Note is another free tool designed for capturing and managing business ideas. It's like having a virtual notebook that's powered by AI.
This tool allows you to input a broad concept like online education, and it'll help refine the idea into actionable business models. You can even collaborate with others on the platform to brainstorm collectively.
And the best part? It organizes your ideas into categories like feasibility, market fit, and potential challenges. This brainstorm is perfect for those who feel stuck. This free AI-powered platform asks you a series of questions about your interests, budget, and goals.
Based on your answers, it generates tailored business ideas. For example, if you love pets and have a small budget, it might suggest starting an online pet accessory store or a mobile pet grooming service.
It's a straightforward tool that simplifies the idea generation process for beginners. Next on the list is Google Trends. It's not traditionally an AI tool, but its data analysis capabilities make it invaluable for business brainstorming.
You can use it to identify trending topics in real time. For instance, you could search for keywords like fitness apps or remote work tools, and see how interest has changed over time.
Combine this with other tools to create ideas that align with what's popular and in demand. Canva isn't just for graphic design, it also offers free AI-powered brainstorming templates.
You can input your target market or industry, and it helps organize your thoughts into mind maps or flowcharts. This visual approach can help clarify complex ideas.
And since it's free, it's accessible to anyone, no matter where you are in your entrepreneurial journey. Copy.ai is a tool that helps you generate content, but it's also fantastic for idea generation.
For example, you could type in, "Give me unique business ideas for digital marketing," and Copy.ai will provide a list of creative and actionable options.
It's particularly useful if you're focusing on online businesses or content-driven models. Ubersuggest is an SEO tool, but its keyword analysis features make it perfect for spotting business trends.
You can type in a niche like vegan snacks and see what people are searching for. This can inspire product ideas or services that fill a specific need in the market.
Plus, it shows you competitors and their strategies, so you can position yourself uniquely. Now that you know the tools, let's talk about how to use them effectively.
Step 1. Be specific with your inputs. For instance, instead of asking for business ideas, try something like, "What are profitable business ideas in renewable energy for small budgets?"
Step 2. Combine tools. Use Google Trends to identify what's trending, then take that data to ChatGPT or Copy.ai to brainstorm refined ideas.
Step 3. Don't rely solely on AI. Use these tools to brainstorm, but validate your ideas with market research, customer feedback, or small-scale testing.
Let's touch on some mistakes people often make when using AI for business idea generation.
One common mistake is expecting a perfect idea instantly. AI tools are there to assist, not to replace your creativity or decision-making.
Another is neglecting market research. Just because an AI suggests an idea doesn't mean it's automatically viable.
And finally, not experimenting enough. These tools are most effective when you try different approaches and refine your ideas over time.
AI tools are powerful allies for entrepreneurs and business owners, offering inspiration, insights, and structure to your brainstorming process.
From ChatGPT to Ubersuggest, these free tools can help you uncover unique opportunities, whether you're starting fresh or expanding an existing business.
So why wait? Start exploring these tools today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Business School for more tips, tools, and strategies to elevate your business journey.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.